Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. As you can see here, we have the quick tutorial of how to use the options. So if you are on the photo mode, simply tap on this four dots icon right here, and as you can see we've got options which we can apply, and the timer is on the third position from the left. So let's tap on this timer option. In this device we've got four options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option like to use. It will be immediately highlighted here. What is more, it is visible right here in this upper panel, so you can always check whether you've got the timer set or not. Now all you have to do is to tap on this shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. Let's check. As you can see, you can quickly change the timer right here, so you can turn it off. However, if for some reason you will not be able to tap here, just enter this four dots icon, tap on the timer and tap on this icon without any kind of countdown, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.